start my marching through right left. Welcome to today's workout. I'm Kim from Keep Fit with Kim with another 15-minute workout. So have a quick look around you, check both sides, check there's nothing you're going to stand on, bump into or trip over. Well done. I always work out in bare feet, but if you're happier in trainers, that's fine too. If you've got diabetes, you need to really make sure you check your feet afterwards, and it's probably safer to wear trainers. Let's march 2 forward, 2 back. Side step. So we're keeping it quite small because we're just warming up and the music's relatively fast. Ready to march 2 forward and back again. 2 forward and back. Well done. Remember to pace yourself during the workout. Really isn't a problem if you make everything smaller to get to the end. If you want to make it harder, you can move the arms a bit more vigorously, make bigger steps. Or you can do the opposite. In a moment we're going to do side steps. We're going to go to the left instead. Are you ready? To the left, stepping together. So step, touch, well done. Ready to march, 2 forward, 2 back. And when the music changes, we're going to take it to a tap out to the side. Are you ready? Tapping out, tap either side. Keeping the shoulders relaxed, just let the arms swing. So you can add a little bit of a bounce if you want to make it harder. So I'm just doing a little knee bend. Or you can just keep it really small. Got to be what's right for you. So I'm taking it to a slight lunge for those who want it a little bit harder. Lifting the elbows up if you want to make it harder and work those back wings. But if it's not, it's fine too. Your body, your workout. Last 4, 3, we're going to go back to 2 forward, 2 back. Ready for side steps to the right. March it forward, 2 and back. Well done. March, side step even, to the left. Side step to the right. And left. Change sides. So just doing a double step in the middle to change. And the arms swing. And march it through. 2 forward, 2 back. Well done. Keep on moving through the gap. Marching through. Right, left. So the harder you lift, higher the lift the knees, the harder you're going to work. Try and keep those ankles and feet soft. Let's take it wide. So when you take it wide, you might want to turn your feet out a little bit. Be aware of how your ankles feel. To each side. Arms. I call my choo-choo arms. Well done. So really turning out the hip. Doesn't matter if it's only small. Higher you lift the knee, the harder you're going to work. Let's march it on the spot. Lift those knees high, if you can. Well done. Take it wide. In for a count of 4. That's 4, 3, 2, and wide for 4, 3, 2, and in. Out, 2, 1, 2, 3. In for 4. 2 count, 2 in, 2 out, in, and wide, in. Well done. So make it as small as you need to. If that's as much as you can manage, you're still moving, that's fine. But if you really can, you can make it a little bit of a dip in the middle if you want to. Hold it here, march. 3, 2, 1, and a tap. 3. Or a knee lift if you prefer. 2. Take it single knee lifts. Push down. So if that's too much, keep it as a toe tap. But if you can, by pushing down, pulling the elbows up at the back, really feeling that in the back of the arms. 4, 3, 2, and march. And I want you to pause, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Take it wide. And in. Take it wide, 8. In for 4, 3, 2, out. For 4, out for 4, well done. In for 2, out for 2, in. So you can make this as small as you want. Really finding it hard to switch between the two. If you're taking it wide, you can add a little gap in the middle, a little bend in the middle even. Well done. Keep those feet moving through the gap. The legs wide, just tap side to side. Well done. So you can a little knee bend if you wish. So adding a little bit more of a knee bend if you can. So you have a choice. If you're a beginner, you can keep it nice and low. If you're not, you can bend in the middle, a little squat, your choice. We're going to take that foot behind, so just a little tap behind. I'll turn so you can see. Tap, tap, tap. Now you have a choice to keep it there, or you can do a kickback. So I'm going to turn so you can see. So aiming the hand towards the other foot, I can just about touch it one side. You're only aiming it towards, doesn't matter if you can't touch it. Quite hard for the balance here, particularly at this fairly low speed. So if that's no good for you, keep it here. A little touch, just touching the toe behind, feeling it in the front of the thighs, getting that balance. Back to the toe taps. So you can add an arm if you wish. So reaching up, or you can just lift the shoulder. Or you can just stay with the legs if you need to catch your breath. Twitch it across. Do a little twist in the hip as I do this, pointing the toe out. So again, you can keep it smaller if you want. Reaching up. Eight more. Well done. You're doing great. Really you are. And across the body. If you're finding it too much, just keep it small. That's fine too. I'm going to make it a bit bigger so you can see what I'm trying to aim for. Take that toe in front, touch across. So those that want to, take the foot up and touch the foot, opening the hip out, Now, if you're not lifting the foot up, try and open out the hip. Turning out, turning out, turning out. Twist. Doesn't matter if it's very, very small twist. Just aim for that twist. Work the muscles in your hips. Four more, whichever version you want to do. Let's take it back to the toe taps. Arms up. If you want, or shoulders, or just stay with the feet. Well done. Knee bend in between if you want. If you really want to make it harder, let's take it across with a twist. So again, could be here. This is fine too. Or a big twist. Make sure you're moving your feet to a position where your ankles are comfortable though. If it's hurting your ankles, you need to adapt your foot position, maybe make it a bit smaller. Back to side tap, loose the arms for a moment. Tap behind. Really thinking about opening out the hip. Now those that want to, kick out back behind and keep moving through to the next track. Take the foot out side to side. Let the arms swing gently. Just start to cool the body down now. You still have the option to make the movements even smaller if that's what you need to do. The shoulders are nicely relaxed. Again, if that's all you're going to do, that's fine too. A little bit for the balance. Well done. Keep that head up. Lengthen the back of the neck. Comb now. Other side. So just do it as and when it feels right with the movement of your body. So I'm not in time with the music particularly. I'm doing it when it feels right. Confuse your brain. Let's just keep those feet going. Well done. Heel digs in front. So I've turned so you can see what I'm doing. Lifting up those toes. So I've got the other knee slightly bent to make it easy. A little bend, but it is small. I'm doing a gentle bicep curl. It's what feels right for me. Do what feels right with your arms. If you want to swing them side to side, that's fine too. I'm going to take it to two side steps. Step together, step together. Only small now though. Circle shoulder, other side. Circling back. Keep it nice and small though. Just getting a little bit of extra mobility in the shoulder, loosening it up. Can't get the shoulder, just stay keeping the feet moving, as this is meant to be a walking workout. Last time right, last time left. Single side steps, step and touch, step and touch. Stepping out, bring the feet together, well done. Circling the arm back. 4, 3, 2 and change. 4, 2 and change. That can be low as well if you want. Yes. One more each side. I'm going to change that. We're going to lift the heels and walk through. Trying to keep the hips level. And the tummy in. Bring the arms forward and back. Forward and back. So try not to lift the chest as you go back. Shoulders are relaxed, arms heavy. Just watch. You're not going to bash anything. Very close to the wall here. Ready for that side step, double. Other side. Well done. Singles. Double. on the spot, lifting the heels. Well done. Let's finish with a stretch. I'm going to get you to take your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Take the right foot back, both feet are pointing forward. We're going to lift up onto the toe. So, by lifting up onto the toe, we're going to make it a lot easier to have your foot in the right position. Quite often, the foot turns in, and that's very difficult then to put your heel down. Now push that heel all the way to the floor. Look at my position. My knee is above my ankle. The leg is straight. Fairly straight line, so my lower back is relaxed. I'm not arched back, not folded forward. You can put the hands on your legs if you want, that helps balance a little bit. If it's a little bit too hard, obviously your foot's going to be here. If you're really flexible in your hamstrings and your calf even, you're going to have that heel a lot further back. Somewhere that's comfortable. Watch you're not pushing too far forward. Feel what's going on with your knee. That knee should be, you should be able to see your toes, it should be lying forward. Beautiful. We do exactly the same on the other side. So taking the foot back, put the heel to the ground and lift and lower. So you're going to do it where your heel touches the ground. We're trying to keep the knee roughly above the ankle, somewhere between the ankle and the toes, not overshooting. Well done. Now push that heel down, moving into that stretch. I need to come a little bit further forward to get a stretch this side. Well done. Great, you made it to the end of the workout. It's been lovely to be working out with you today. See you next time. Bye for now.